Hi, welcome to the new video from Elstone. At Elstone, our topmost priority is to use advancement and innovation in technology to design and produce products which are so amazing that they can be termed really smart. For the field of construction and architecture, in which Elstone operates, it has come up with another smart product named as StoneTide, which is based on modified silicon polymer, a new age composite material with improved functional properties. This makes StoneTide a very powerful product with very high application value. StoneTide एक ऐसा एडेसिव है जो जोड़े स्टोन मार्बल्स, ग्रेनाइट और इंजीनियर स्टोन को एक दूसरे से बहुत ही मजबूती और पकड़ से। StoneTide की हाई डिग्री ऑफ एडिशन ये सुनिश्चित करती है कि इसके द्वारा जोड़े गए पत्थर कभी अलग नहीं होंगे और उनमें क्रैक्स नहीं आएंगे। This can be used in both external and internal environment. StoneTide is a highly stable product and the bond it creates is also highly stable in adverse environmental conditions like high and low temperature, moist environment, etc. For large and heavy stones where traditionally mechanical fastening was preferred, StoneTide can be a better replacement as a binding mechanism. With StoneTide, stress gets distributed across a joint more efficiently than in mechanical fastening. StoneTide does not shrink after application and it provides sufficient degree of flexibility to the bond due to which the stones joined together can expand and contract due to changes in environment, which means StoneTide adhesive can accommodate building movement. This keeps the bond strong and intact and the bond does not break. StoneTide works well even if the bonding surface area is small, especially in case of butt joint. StoneTide solid bond provides stability and strength to any structure or building. StoneTide is a quick grab adhesive which cures to full strength after 24 hours of application. One of the key features for a smart product is its ease of use. StoneTide can be used directly from the tube, जिससे किसी तरह की मिक्सिंग का झंझट नहीं है और इसे लगाने में समय की बहुत बचत होती है। ये सिंगल कंपोनेंट रेडी टू यूज ट्रांसपेरेंट पेस्ट फॉर्म में ट्यूब्स और पाउचेस में अवेलेबल है। इस प्रोडक्ट को लगाने के दौरान कोई वेस्टेज भी नहीं होती है। Hence, no mixing, no metering or de-gassing is required with StoneTide, unlike epoxy and PU adhesive. StoneTide is environment friendly and is not harmful at all for users. Hence, we ensure that the convenience is not traded against priceless environment. Since the product does not contain non-toxic and hazardous material such as isonite, VOC, etc., it is safe for laborers, workers, and also for environment. With StoneTide, we can protect the aesthetics of granite, marbles, etc., on which it is used as there is no staining and yellowing. आइए अब देखते हैं और समझते हैं StoneTide लगाने में क्या क्या डिफरेंट स्टेप्स होते हैं। सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है कि जिस सरफेस पे हम StoneTide को लगा रहे हैं वो बिल्कुल साफ हो एंड इट शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम डस्ट, ऑयल, एटसेट्रा। इसके बाद बड़ी ही सावधानी से StoneTide की बिल्कुल ही पतली सी एक लेयर हम स्टोन के एक सरफेस पे लगाते हैं। आफ्टर दिस वी पेस्ट and fix other stone on the adhesive coated stone surface with great care and precision. इसके बाद इस पर हम दोनों हाथों से प्रेशर लगाते हैं ताकि surfaces एक दूसरे से अच्छे से चिपक जाएं। And lastly, we have to allow adhesive to cure for minimum 30 minutes for initial grab and 24 hours for obtaining full bond strength. Really, after watching this, I am 100% sure that StoneTide, and with its so many different properties and features, lives of builders, laborers, architects and home buyers will now be much less stressful and tension free. We'll catch you all soon in our next video. And don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel elstoneindia.com.